So for question 29, we want to find a box plot that represents the data. So for box plots, there are five different values that we care about, sometimes called a five-number summary. So just in case it's been a minute, here's a five-number summary. So the five numbers that we care about are the minimum, so the smallest value in the set. So in this case, the minimum, let's see, 65, anything smaller than 65? Nope, 65. So 65 is the minimum. So the next thing we care about is going to be called quartile 1. It's the 25th percentile. We'll find that in a second. We also care about the median, the 50th percentile. We care about the third quartile, which is the 75th percentile. And then we care about the maximum value. All right, so the maximum here, 73, anything bigger than 73? Nope, 73 it is. So you can, because we have kind of like graphs here, you can get a little bit of bang for your buck just looking at the minimums and the maximum. That's what these points at the end mean. That's going to be your max. That's going to be your min. So notice that in question B, since we have a maximum that's not 73, it's bigger than 73, our answer is not B. Notice that that's it, right? So A, C, and D still in the running. So to find the median, we want to be a little careful, right? We want to make sure our numbers are in order from least to greatest. So this data is not in order from least to greatest. I mean, if we were actually doing statistics, we just throw into like Excel or a statistics program and do it. But let's pretend that we don't have those resources. So let's organize everything from small to big. So the smallest number here is 65. Even as a statistics professor, like I still have to like write these things out like this. We got a 66. I gotten rid of that one. We have another 66. Let's see, we got some 67s. We have three 67s, it looks like. 67, 67, 67. So gone, gone, gone. We got two 68s. So those ones are out of here. I have three 69s, 69, 69, 69. Gone, gone, gone. Let's see, we got 170, two 71s, a 72. What did I just do? Okay, two 71s. That's a 71, a 72, a 73, and a 73. Right, so that's our data in order from least to greatest. Now, a lot of times what we do is this whole like duck, duck, goose thing where we just kind of like cross values out in the beginning and the end and kind of find what's in the middle. And that's fine if that's the way that you want to do it. So if you do that whole way, you'll get kind of, we'll cross, we'll get those gone. We'll get 71 out. We'll get those gone. 67, 70, 68, 69, 68, 69. So this would be the median. Right? So our median value is going to be 69. In a box plot, this middle line here, this represents the median. So if there was anything that did not have a median of 69, we could get rid of it. So at this point, D and C, both those are gone, and A would be the right answer. If you did want to find the first quartile, it's the median of the lower set. So notice that there are these values underneath the median. We now just do the same thing. We find the median of these values. Gone, 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 gone. So the first quartile is going to be the average of 67 and 67, which is 67. So this is your first quartile. Same way of attacking the top, right? Get rid of the 73, right? Get rid of those values. We're in between 71 and 71. So this is going to be the third quartile. There are ways that you can say I have what, 3, 6, 9, 17. You can say there's 17 values. So your median is going to be the ninth value, right? So you can find that and just count real quickly. But if there's not a lot of values, just kind of like counting and crossing out is the way to go. And just be careful about putting the values in order from least to greatest.